We don't want you to break up. The Couples Clinic is introducing couple-specific intensive retreats. This is a 1 to 3 day retreat where owner Ronnie Littlewood works specifically with the both of you around your relationship issues. Located in beautiful Sarnia, Ontario, this intensive is devoted to helping you recognize and repair your dysfunctional communication patterns and rebuild your attachment. Rather than spending months in therapy, this weekend retreat focuses on the areas that you want to focus on by learning how to give and receive complaints and recognizing and releasing your resentments. You both will learn how to navigate difficult topics such as parenting, intimacy, and extended family, and move towards compromise. There's a famous quote that says a relationship is like a house. When a light bulb burns out, you don't go out and buy a new house. You fix the light bulb. You can bring back the light to your relationship. Contact us for a free 30-minute consultation on how we can help you today.